Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best beach cart is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone who loves spending a day by the ocean, simplifying the transport of all your gear from chairs and umbrellas to coolers and toys, ensuring you can relax and enjoy your time without the struggle of carrying heavy items across the sand. Number 5. Portal Heavy-Duty Folding Wagon Cart. Navigate any terrain with ease. Its large all-terrain wheels are designed to effortlessly roll over sand, pavement, and more, making transport a breeze. Experience smooth and convenient movement. The 360-degree rotating front wheels allow for easy pushing and pulling, no matter the direction. Customize your comfort with the telescoping handle. It extends and adjusts to your preferred height and angle, making it a true life helper for various tasks. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric, this wagon is built to last. The mesh bottom allows for easy cleaning. Simply rinse with water. Carry all your essentials with confidence. Its sturdy steel frame supports a substantial load capacity, perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Set up in seconds with a simple push of the bottom. When folded, it's compact and easy to store, taking up minimal space. What we like? This cart is built for durability and ease of use. Its heavy-duty frame supports a high static load capacity, making it ideal for transporting large amounts of gear. If you need a reliable workhorse for hauling heavy items to the beach, garden, or for grocery runs, this is a solid choice. What people say? It never flipped and is very sturdy and rolls evenly. It folds easily and does not take up a lot of room. It's well designed and has thick wheels, which makes traversing the sand easier. Number 4. VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon. Introducing the VIVOSUN Folding Wagon, designed for ultimate convenience. It's your perfect partner for any outdoor adventure, from camping to beach trips. This wagon boasts a large capacity, capable of holding up to 350 pounds. Its durable construction features waterproof and tear-resistant fabric, ensuring it stands up to the elements. Keep your essentials secure with its side pockets and enjoy easy access to your drinks with the built-in cup holders. Everything you need is within reach. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its adjustable handle and silent, 360-degree swivel wheels. It moves smoothly over sand, grass, and pavement with minimal noise. The wheels are designed for all-terrain use, including soft sand, and feature brakes for added security on slopes. You can trust it to stay put when you need it to. When you're done, it folds down compactly with just one hand, making it incredibly easy to store and transport. It's ready to go wherever you do. What we like? Experience smooth and quiet transport with this wagon. The silent all-terrain wheels ensure minimal noise, and the waterproof fabric protects your belongings. If you're looking for a versatile wagon for camping, beach trips, or shopping that offers convenience and durability, this one is a great option. What people say? The cart is sturdy and holds a lot of gear. The big wheels make it easy to maneuver on sand. It folds up compactly for storage. Number 3. Originsure 220L Collapsible Wagon Cart. Experience an incredible 7.69 cubic feet of storage space, perfect for all your adventures. When folded, it becomes remarkably compact, easily fitting into your car trunk or any corner of your home. This wagon is engineered with a robust all-metal frame, boasting a static load capacity of up to 460 pounds. Its durable, waterproof Oxford fabric ensures it can handle any load you throw at it, season after season. Navigate any terrain with ease thanks to its large, all-terrain wheels. The front wheels feature brakes for secure parking, ensuring smooth and stable movement wherever you go. Enjoy enhanced stability and control with its innovative steering mechanism. The adjustable handle ensures a comfortable grip for everyone, making it effortless to guide. Forget complicated setups. This wagon comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. It even includes convenient features like cup holders and a storage cover. Whether for groceries, camping, or sports, this wagon is designed to make your life easier. It's your dependable partner for hauling essentials on any outing. What we like? This wagon boasts an exceptionally large capacity and a robust all-metal frame, making it perfect for the biggest hauls. Its innovative steering mechanism ensures stability and control, even when fully loaded. If you frequently transport a lot of gear for family outings, camping trips, or large shopping excursions, this heavy-duty option is for you. What people say. The wheels are large and sturdy, making it easy to navigate on sand and uneven terrain. The cart is surprisingly spacious and can hold a lot of gear, including chairs, umbrellas, and coolers. It folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. Number 2. Heavy-duty collapsible folding wagon cart. This wagon is built to last with a durable steel frame and reinforced fabric. It can handle heavy groceries, sports gear, beach supplies, or gardening tools without sagging, designed for long-term daily use. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its upgraded oversized wheels. They provide excellent grip and stability on sand, grass, gravel, or pavement, making it ideal for all your outdoor adventures. With a spacious interior, it can fit coolers, sports equipment, shopping bags, garden tools, and more. It's perfect for families, outdoor enthusiasts, DIY projects, and weekend errands. This wagon features a quick pull collapse design that reduces it to a compact size. It's easy to store in car trunks, garages, or closets, making it ideal for apartments and small spaces. It's a versatile helper for grocery runs, beach days, sporting events, gardening, road trips, and more. This sturdy and practical wagon is ready for all-season outdoor use. What we like. Designed for convenience and ample storage, this wagon is a true multi-use helper. It folds flat for easy storage and transport, yet offers a generous capacity for all your needs. If you live in a smaller space or need a wagon that's easy to tuck away after use for grocery runs, beach days, or sporting events, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Maneuverable and functional. Tested on sand, technically, with these wheels I had no expectations, so when I pull it on sand its back wheels roll while the front ones get in the air. At least it rolls. Very sturdy, holds a considerable amount of weight, and the wheels roll smoothly even with a heavy weight. Wheels kind of drag in really thick, soft, powdery sand, but does just fine in compacted sand. Steering is a breeze, and we found it quite maneuverable. The wheels roll so easily from paved road to gravel, cobblestone, and beach. Sturdy and easily assembled. Number 1. EAYNON 42L Collapsible Foldable Wagon. Experience incredible hauling power with its extra-large capacity, capable of holding up to 500 pounds. This heavy-duty cart offers more space than standard wagons, ensuring you can carry all your essentials with confidence. Effortlessly folded down with just one hand to a surprisingly small size. Its compact design saves you time and space, easily fitting into your car trunk or storage area. Navigate any surface with ease thanks to its high-quality, all-terrain wheels. The 360-degree rotating front wheels and stable brakes ensure smooth and secure movement, even on slopes. Constructed with a thickened heavy-duty steel frame and a double-layer base, it's designed for extreme durability. The tear-resistant Oxford fabric is also removable for easy cleaning. Stay organized and prepared with convenient built-in drink holders and 2 included bungee cords. These features add extra utility for your outings. Purchase with assurance knowing it comes with a 1-year service plan. Our customer support team is ready to assist you with any inquiries. What we like. When capacity and strength are paramount, this wagon delivers. It features the highest weight capacity and an extra-large storage volume, perfect for the most demanding tasks. If you're hauling exceptionally heavy loads for camping, large family gatherings, or substantial DIY projects, this wagon is built to handle it. What people say. It's long enough to fit all of the things I need as a baseball parent. It's wide enough for our bog bag, which was a huge plus for me. It was very easy to assemble and perfect storage size. It's extremely sturdy and has a great frame. It rolls smoothly. Folds into a compact cube. The wagon rolls really well and has a huge storage capacity. You can spread out your items for even weight distribution. It's so easy to steer and pull. The wheels are big, so it rolled fine on different terrains and it didn't feel heavy or hard to pull even with a lot of stuff in it. Putting it together was honestly no more than 5 minutes, if even that. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.